Don't be afraid of fire. Fire is your friend. Fire is how you eat. Fire is what you need to cook. A lot of people are worried about, oh, if I'm going to burn something up. And really cooking is very easy. All you're doing when you're cooking is babysitting food. That's the key, just babysit food. If you nurse your food, pay attention to the food, then you don't have to worry about overcooking it or burning anything else up. Now guys, this is a nice keeper that you want to infuse in your meal. You go for the jugular vein. This is fresh mint. If you infuse this in with any meal, you would definitely get a nice high reaction from any other mate that's at the dinner table. Key is remember vanilla, remember mint. Those are the two key things whenever you cook. If you infuse something like vanilla or mint, it's designed to react with a lady's pheromones in their body, so it heightens her senses. Now that we have that going, what we do here, we have a little brown sugar that we mix in. And a lot of people always say, Chef, you always use brown sugar, you always use brown sugar. Brown sugar is like my secret ingredient on my passage to the underworld. Now, if you ever want to experience the underworld, gentlemen, trust me, you already have if you got things. What you do then is you take you some bell peppers, you blend those in good. Once you have that going now, you take your shrimp, and you can use any kind of shrimp. Whether it's jumbo prawns, your tiger stripe shrimp, just take your shrimp, you want to layer those on top of your herbs that you just put in. Lay a few of those on the herbs. And what you're going to do is allow the juice from the shrimp to wither down on your pineapple and on your mint. And it's going to create a nice aroma and a nice smell in the household. But then you have your little smoke free you want to sprinkle over the top of it. The onion powder here. And as I always tell people, cook and use, people always ask me, Chef, how do you know what? Should I use 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, 3 teaspoons of this right here? The amount of teaspoons that you're supposed to technically use is the amount of teaspoons that your tongue likes. Whatever your tongue likes is the right way. There is no wrong way in cooking. People always think that they can mess it up. How can you mess cooking up when you cook to please your tongue? And that's what I guarantee you, if you cook to please your tongue, you're going to love it every day. Now what we got here, this is one of my barbecue rubs right here. It's a smoky barbecue rub that with fees on it, just a couple of special ingredients. Now, and what you do is you just let that just simmer for about 1.5 minutes, because one of the key things about shrimp, it don't take long for shrimp to cook. A lot of people go wrong by thinking that shrimp is supposed to cook extremely long time. Shrimp is one of the fastest things. When I say a lot of people go wrong with that, I mean my significant other. She will cook a shrimp until it literally balls up into a pot for one form. Toughest thing that you ever want to touch your mouth on. Now, when you finish it off, you add a little more olive oil. Once you add olive oil to it, and the key is you can tell and see the nice sauce that it's making. You're getting all your flavors to marinate in with each other. Now, after you bring all your flavors to life, you have them marinate in with each other. There's one key ingredient. And with this key ingredient is what makes the skinny dipper worthwhile. Anybody know what skinny dipper is? It's rum. Rum is what brings everything to life and awakes the palate. At this present moment in time and in your life, rum is your friend. Don't even be afraid after you pour a little bit in here. You even take a shot of it. So what you want to do is, and don't be afraid of this spot right here. Don't be afraid of it at all.
He say that until I get burned.
Add a little brown sugar stout to it.
Right.
And bam, it's done. All right, it's done. Now, the question is,
How are we going to share that?
we need to, I'm going to do some more.
You said that was the question, right? How we going to
So
share
I got
that?
some forks here, and anybody who wants some,
Plates on this side.
we're going to put them here. And Chef, if you want to take this around, Chef, cook that. There you go. Take this around.
Some more.
Oh, I am.
She says enough for her right there. That's what she said.
Yeah, exactly.
I think.